Hey guys, so welcome to a new vlog. As you can see, I'm using a different phone. Yep, the main phone that I use, it fell again and the screen is in and out. Guys, the last time my phone fell and the screen, I had to replace the screen was May. We're in July. So every 2 to 3 months, literally, my phone has been acting up. Literally. Anyways, look at the girl, lost weight, but the belly isn't. We'll talk about that at a later date. But I'm heading to a water party. This is a usual water party that I always go downtown, and we are dressed for it. Swimsuit cover up. The cover up is like a one piece, but guys, it is hot. And yeah. But this getting to the fit, everything is from Shein. This hat, it was from my carnival for April this year. And yeah, you guys will see the full fit and all of that, but I need to head out. It's past going on to 8:15 and I wanted to get there 8:30. Yes, it's a morning party. It starts from 6 a.m. to midday. So I need to hurry up and go, and I'll see you guys at the party. We'll talk about my food in another time. I have a video that I have edited and uploaded, and when I was watching it back, it was glitching, sorry. So my mouth was not, my mouth was running faster than how it actually is. So I need to go back and edit that. It's been a week now since I haven't posted anything, and it's my fault because of the video issue. So I'm gonna have to literally edit over back the entire thing. We're gonna talk about that another time, but later. Hey guys, so we're at the party. The party? Yeah. So we are out and about again. Well, we're gonna head out right now. The party this morning, it was pretty good. I did a video a lot because I was literally in the water having fun. So yeah, a lot of things happened that could not video, and then I didn't have a water, well, I did get a water case, but that's besides the point. We were just busy having fun. So I'm heading out to a birthday thingy at the club called Ribbies, and it's supposed to be nerd outfit. That is her theme for her birthday. So this is what I came up with. It's half nerdy, fashionable. Okay, white tee, wearing this vest. I have on like a shorts and sneakers, of course, and white bag, regular jewelry. So that is the vibe. How do I look? Don't mind all my garbage over there. How do I look? I think I look pretty good, pretty fashionable. I look fashionable. I forgot to show y'all one thing. The glasses. It looks good, okay? It looks good, but I don't know if I want to wear it. I look too much of a nerd. I don't think I'm gonna wear the glasses, to be honest. It's giving too much nerd vibe. I'm not gonna lie. But we'll see. I'll see if I decide to wear it. What's up, guys? So our hair needs to be done. So the first thing, it's Thursday. So happy Thursday. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna run on the road. I'm gonna buy some bundles, just 2 pack of bundles. There is this style that's going around, that has been going around for a while, and it's nothing new, where you cane roll the front of the hair, half cane roll on the back, putting curly hair. So that's the vibe that I want to work with for summer. I do have a fun summer coming up within the next 2 weeks. I am heading out of town to have a little ball just for a few days. So I want to get my hair done by the ending of this month. So yeah, I'm gonna get the hair today. Some sort of curly hair. I don't know, I'll probably want to get kinky hair or deep curly or a loose wig, but I want a hair that I can wet with water and it brings out the curls. Then I'm gonna come home and then we're gonna process our hair. I'm gonna relax my hair. My hair needs to be processed. I was trying to avoid not processing it since I'm gonna, you know, do my hair like less than 2 weeks, but it needs to be processed because one, I don't have any hairstyle for me to last me for 2 weeks. Two, my hair needs to be done. Like I just can't, like my hair needs to be done. And the thing is, when I realize with my skin, I know how I am. When my hair wants to be done, my hair needs to be done. Like my face gets ugly for some reason. Yeah, it's no joke. Like I'm not lying. Whenever my hair needs to be done, even so, my face gets like really weird and ugly to me. One, when my hair wants to wash, and two, when it needs to be done. And right now it needs to be done. So we are gonna process our hair. I doubt it's gonna come out properly, but it's fine. I just need it to be processed so I can at least, if I'm going anywhere, I can have it in one or do something with it before I do my hair. So we're gonna head out to do that, come back, process our hair. So that is the vibe for today. A casual fitting tonight. I don't even want to show you guys the floor right there. By the way, I got some packages from Shein and I want to do a try-on type of vibe for my little 2 days vacation basically for out of town. But yeah, we're just working with it. See, I can't even wear my hair out. I have to wear a hat. For the last week when I'm heading on the road for errands, it has to be a hat that I'm wearing. Anyways, this is a vibe. Okay, so we got to the store and I'm just getting this from my bathroom. I do have another one, but this is so cute. It says bathroom. The other one is just plain and boring, so I'm grabbing this. This is the only thing I actually came for, so I'm just gonna go and buy it here now. Yeah. I like this stand. Could put stuff in that. Actually, I like this stand. I'm trying to make like a pantry. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. So this is good for the microwave and put some seasoning and stuff because I have no kitchen space. This is not bad. All right, so we finished half of the hair, so we're just gonna move on to the other side. Y'all, it's not much cream left. I need to be careful how I'm using it. It's not a lot left. But it's okay. If it doesn't process properly, that's fine. We're gonna do our hair in less than 2 weeks, so it should be fine. So I'm just gonna, I think I got all my hairs, but I'm just gonna go through it and you have to go through it and comb it out and all of that so it can be processed properly. So that I'm going to do right now before it starts burning and I feel a little bit of itch. And by the way, I am sweating like hell and this right here is the oil. So the oil is like running down in my eyes, burning me. So I really need to hurry up and get out of this hot bathroom, seriously. We are all done. I think it should be good. I'm just gonna let it stay for another minute, then we're gonna shower. I think the middle, this side is starting to, ache a little. So we're just gonna jump into the shower, wash it out, and do my thing. So yeah, I will catch you guys, I don't know when. After this though, I'm gonna eat dinner and just watch Netflix. I was watching The Sandman and it's finished, but they're saying that the new season is coming out at the end of July. So super excited about that. And I don't know, I'm just gonna find something to watch tonight. I do have some work to do as well, so I probably need to do that work, do the work and then I go to Netflix because if I do it the other way around, I'm not going to get any work done. So that is the vibe for the rest of the evening. I hope this is processed good. I don't want to touch it anymore.